90,000 pesos pwedeng kitain sa negosyo ng fried chicken and farming. Maaari ka na magsimulang magnegosyo gamit lamang ang maliit na kapital. Sa 10 manok, you only need to spend 600 pesos and the overall cost for the feeds is only 900 pesos for the 10 chickens. Alam mo ba na ang tawag sa manok na ito ay white leghorn or broiler? Ito ay crossbreed ng Cornish crosses at Cornish rocks kung saan katangian ng manok na ito ay mag-produce ng karne sa loob lamang ng 38 days. Tayong lahat ay nangangarap na iwanan ang 9 to 5 jobs at magnegosyo na lang. As businessman, the goal is to acquire resources at the lowest cost. One way of doing this is through chicken farming. At sa pamamagitan ng karne na na-harvest ko, I will be using it to start a small-scale fried chicken business. May kapitbahay ako sa Mandawi City kung saan ang manok nila ay binibenta sa halagang 30 pesos each piece and can dispose 10 kilos each day. Kung iisipin natin ulit ng mabuti, during harvesting after 38 days, each chicken can produce 15 cuts. And if we sell each piece of chicken for 30 pesos, then that would give us 450 pesos sales. If kaya ng kapitbahay ko ubusin ang 10 kilos ng manok every day, then this means 4,500 pesos minus the capital of 1,500 pesos, then it gives us 3,000 net income each day. Sa loob lamang ng 30 days, hindi malabo kumita ng 90,000 pesos. Wow naman! So, hopefully guys, you learned something from this video. And if you are interested for more, please subscribe, like, and share to your friends. Peace out.